What up, YouTube? Back with another one. Today is the day. Another episode for Big Kapp. I got this right here. If I can get this bad boy open with one hand. There we go. Yeah, man, I waited on y'all this time. This unboxing for you guys. And y'all ready for this, man? Real quick. Jump in the comment section. Let me know what you think this is. Alright, enough of all that. Quit playing games. Here we go. Oh, it's upside down. That's why. But okay, here we go. So, for everybody who was wondering what Big Kapp is, this is what it is. Infinity Kappa. 1200 watts. These are 12's. They say they have the smart selective input impedance. I'm sorry. So yeah, basically you can drop it from a 4 ohm to a 2 ohm with the click of a switch. But yeah, man, here we go. See what I got in my hand. I don't have nothing over here to open this with, do I? Oh, look at me trying to do an unboxing for y'all, and I ain't even got nothing to open this mud up with. Come on, man. But still gonna get it open. Put that right there. See what we got in the box. Good old manual with the Infinity sticker right there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's in there. We'll get to that later. Whew. Yes, sir. Golly. Come on. Get up out of there. What is this? It's trash. Alright. Here we go. Jesus Christ. I see why that box was so light. But, yeah. I would have recorded outside, but, man, it's thundering like a mud out here. Let's turn this on around. Yeah, buddy. Remove this so you can put your screws in, of course, but here you go. So, get that focus. There we go. So that's your SSI right there. Click it. That way you at 4 ohms. This way you at 2. So yeah, man. Got the big boy 12's. And we do have 2 of them. And yeah, set this mud down real quick. Yeah, man. It's gonna look nice in the murk. Yes, it is. So, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.